today we're going to open this
Kanino galing yan?
because
Ninang Cheryl. Thank you. Okay, let's open it. Wow. Ang dami naman yan. Okay. There's the scissors. Howdy. Pupuno na tayo ng Stitch. Wow! A Slinky na may Stitch na print. Can I see? Show it here. There. Wow. Wow, ang cute. Next. Si Cloudy nakaginood oh. Ang daming laman. What's that? A sticker. Can I see? Oh. Plenty of stickers. Can you show? Surfboard. And ayaw mag-focus. There. Cute. Okay, next. Oh, it's a lot. A ziplock. Angat mo na. What's that? Oh, I think you have to microwave that. Oh, you put it inside. You put it in. Wow! I think yun yung niluluto. Tapos mag-shrink siya.
yeah. I think
Lututin mo na. Pakuha lang. Ayan. Okay. Make it quick. Oh. So, okay. Then another one. Wow. It's kind of big. Hello! So cute! Show it. Lapit mo. Wow! Long cute! Hello! Thank you, Ate Cheryl. Ang ganda.
next one.
Oh, next one. A small one. Careful.
Angel.
Si Angel! Show it! Show Angel. Wow! Wait lang. Wait lang. I need to focus. Wait lang. Wow! Wala, meron na rin katerno yung isa.
I'm going to get
Nice. Later. Next one. Wow, ang dami. Ilan na yun? Ay! Cute! Oh, lapit mo sa camera so I can focus. Wow! It's very shiny. Wow!
now
Ayan. That one.
this one is long.
It's kinda long. What's that? A stickers?
The poster.
It's a poster. Can I see? Wow. Ay, ang cute naman. Si Lilo and si Stitch. Nice. Parol natin kay Tito so we can flat. Can you
Last
last one. Wow. Nagkaroon ka pa ng surprise box bigla. A special surprise box. Aki! keychain again. Ala, ang cute. Show it to the camera. Wow! Oh my gosh, ang cute. Can I touch it? Ala, ang cute. Wow, ang dami. Oh.
Guys, look.
Ay, inakyat ko na yung... Ay, look. Wow. Nakakatawa. I'll say thank you again to Ate Cheryl. Thank you, Ninang Cheryl. You like it? Super? Kaya pala na-feel mong favorite day mo to, no? Wow! I'll say bye-bye. Thank you, Ninang Cheryl. Happy kid.